Welcome to Aloha Friday with Judy, and welcome today to Rod with Inspired Builder Solutions.
Inspired Build Solutions.
Build Solutions. So I met Rod because we shopped for windows and doors at Lowe's, and they were recommended, and we're really thrilled to have them. So Rod, I know you did these doors and for us, but what else do you do? What else does the company do?
So we're a full service general contractor. We do remodels, cabinets, doors, windows.
Great.
We do ADUs as well. And we also do solar. So if you're trying to get the tax credit before the end of the year, we do have a few spots left.
Solar is the way to go by the end of the year.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Well, thanks so much for everything you've done here.
You're welcome.
We appreciate it. Your workers have been great.
Thank you.
And as always, we love to hear from you. Give us a call, 808-358-8828. Reach out on social media or our website, hawaiishome.com. And aloha.
Aloha.